All right, hey guys. So I wanted to go through and just talk a little bit about some of the things that have been happening as far as the AP test is concerned. We still do not know what the actual dates are going to be. That information is going to start coming out April 3rd. I wanted to bring this website up to your attention. If you go to the AP Students College Board website, if you go there, I know there's going to be a link down below. You'll find this website to kind of help you out. College Board has gone through and has they're putting out these online courses to help you continue to learn this material, even through these really weird, trying times. So, one thing that you can do is look at one of these online classes. These classes are going to be all on YouTube. They're going to be streamed live. So, you can get the schedule, which you can find here, and you can attend one of these courses, one of these classes. They're about 20 minutes long or so, and it's just going over some material. This is great because unlike my videos that I put out, this is going to be it's an online live session. So if you have a question, you can ask your question and they can give you some immediate feedback. Additionally, these are some teachers that have been teaching AP classes for years and years and years. These are, master teachers that have know exactly what they're doing. So highly suggest going through and looking at that. You may notice that some of the material that they're covering will not be tested on. Here's the thing, that if you do go through and you take the AP exam and you do get college credit, your college courses won't really care that you didn't learn it. You're still going to be expected to know it. So even though you're not going to be tested over this material, you still need and you will still be expected to know it later on in your college career. Please be aware of that. Just because we're not going to be going over Gibbs free energy or electrochem doesn't mean that you just get a free pass and you will never get to never have to use that. No, in your college courses, you're going to be expected to know what those things are. So they're kind of going back and forth between review material and or some of the material that is later on Unit 8, Unit 9 material. So definitely go through and check out these online courses. I think they're going to be an immensely helpful resource for you. Now, for my students specifically, so our school is going to be coming back April 6th, about a week after I post this video. Now, what are we going to be actually doing? Well, everything is going to be virtual. All Everything is going to be virtual. Uh, what I am planning on doing currently is continuing to do what I'm doing now. I'm going to be posting videos online, I'm going to be posting lectures, and I'll be posting a short assignment that goes along with them. Now, these assignments, they're going to be part of your grade. These will all be online, things that shouldn't take up too terribly much of your time. I'm going to try to go through and do all sorts of different things. Free responses, some multiple choice, and then I'm also looking at some virtual labs. Virtual labs are going to be the only type of lab that you can do at this point. Um, and that's sad to me. So I don't know exactly how we're going to go out and do it, but we're all going to do the best that we can. Additionally, after the videos, I'm going to have one day a week where I'm going to have probably using Zoom, doing a Zoom meeting, Zoom question and answer session, where I can go through and actually talk to you guys and actually have kind of an online meeting where we all can be together. You can ask questions, I can answer questions, so on and so forth. So I'm going to do that probably 1 or 2 days a week. I'm going to see how it goes. I think I'm going to start with one day a week at first, and if we need to move to 2 days a week, we can do that, where it's going to be about 30 minutes to an hour of just asking questions. I don't understand this type of problem. Okay, well, let's go through that. Some people are getting a little worried about their grades. I'm going to say this: don't be terribly worried about your grades right now. Whatever your grades are currently is not going to be the grade you have at the end of the class. There will be opportunities for you to raise your grade. If you are worried about your grade right now and you know you are missing assignments, please do your work. Go through, if it's an online assignment, submit it online. If it is not an online assignment and you're worried about how are you supposed to do this, send me a picture of it. That's fine. I can handle you guys sending me a picture. I am not that old where I don't understand technology. Go ahead and do whatever work that you are missing, turn it in, and you will get credit. That's one way of increasing your grade if you're worried about it. If you are worried about your grade, send me an email. We can talk about your grade and where you are. Use this time wisely. Make sure that are going through and turning in all of your missing work. If you are a little bit low, reach out to your teachers. Typically, they can help you. So, one thing that a lot of people may be wondering about is how are you supposed to go through and study for an AP exam at this point? I'm going to say this. Like I said before, the online classes are going to be a great resource for you. Go ahead and do that. Another way of doing that is Kahn Academy. If you don't know what Kahn Academy is, there's going to be links in the description below. So don't worry about trying to find it. I'm going to go through and link in the description below all of the resources that I'm going to find. I'm going to be making one of these kind of update videos about once a week to make sure you guys kind of are in the loop. If you worried about anything, let me know. There's a multitude of ways you can get a hold of me. I would say Canvas is probably going to be the safest way to get a hold of me, but reach out however you can. All right, guys, stay safe out there. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Practice social distancing. Have a good one.